it's Flappy, and today we're going to be making this. It's a cactus farm, and you literally need no redstone at all, and it's automatic, so that's pretty nice. It doesn't have a super high production rate, but that's okay, because it is a super easy farm. It's pretty small, and if you wanted, you can make a ton of these, and then it would be more productive. So, to start off, oh, by the way, this is all you need. In my inventory, sand, cactus, metal bars, or whatever they're called, a building block, chest, hopper, and water. So to start off, we're gonna get our sand, and just go and place it like this. There. Oops, sorry. Well, anyways, there and there, in this little square. Now that you've done that, go to the building block sorry. And no, you do not have to use iron. You can use whatever block you want. If you're in a survival world and you're just starting, you could use dirt. But I recommend using something that looks good, so it doesn't look super gross, because building stuff with dirt is never the best. Oops. And so once you've gotten that, just close it up, but leave a little spot right there. We're going to do something with that later. So now get your bucket of water and place it right in the corner. Don't place it like that. Oops. Let's see. Oh my god. There we go. Don't place it like that. You just want to place it right here. So just get your bucket of water, place it like that. And see, it goes all the way to here, but not quite through. So, dang it. Sorry about that. So now that you have that, get out your hopper, dig a hole, make your hopper going into this dirt block. Break the dirt block, get a chest, and place the chest. Now that you have that, you see, you could just, actually, why don't I do it the easy way? So now that you have that, you can just place it like that, and like that. Dang it, sorry. Like that, and like that. And so now that you have that, you can make a little X that just, or you can just go like that, do one more, and like that, and like that. And 1 second. Go. So now that you have that, you can place down your cactus. And after this, I can explain how it works. So just place a piece of cactus on each sand block. And now it's actually done. It's that easy. So, yeah, see, it's exactly the same. But how it works is, cactuses can't grow up like onto blocks like this, and so it breaks when it gets to this metal fence thing. And so when it breaks, it falls into the water right here, and it's made perfectly. And so the water, it just, no matter where the item is, it will travel down into this hopper. This hopper goes into the chest, And yeah, and then you can get the chest and collect the stuff. So that is how you make a super simple cactus farm. I hope you enjoyed. They're really easy to make and they're survival friendly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.